In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find websites that accept guest posting and export them from Google to Excel in bulk. As an example, we will be exporting fishing blogs from Google to an Excel spreadsheet that will look like this. Don't forget to click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, make sure to click the subscribe button to receive bot tutorials from us in the future. Let's go. To make an Excel list of fishing blogs that accept guest posting, we'll use the Outreach and Guest Post Explorer. You can find the link to the bot in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Enter the bot name, Outreach and Guest Post Explorer, into the search bar. Click on the bot name. The Outreach and Guest Post Explorer page will open. Click on the green button. Name your job. For example, fishing blogs. Paste one or more keywords. For example, fishing. Select how many websites you need to export to Excel. For example, 100. Tick the search queries that are relevant for your case. Select how you'd like the bot to notify you when the job is done. Available options include email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, and Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Now you can see the bot running. Once the bot is finished, you'll see the blue completed sign. To download the extracted results as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file, click on the desired icon. To view the extracted results online, click on View Data. Let's view the results online. Take a look at this. We've got a well-structured spreadsheet with fishing blog links, their positions on Google Search, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Create a free account on Botster and get access to the Outreach and Guest Post Explorer and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to catch our future content on automation. See you in the next video.